Tips to help you invest in the stock market. For those who would love to make a little extra cash or have a new career based from the comfort of your own home, consider investing in the stock market. By doing some research about the fastest growing companies, as well as watching up on helpful tips, can help you to become successful. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. If you have some spare money to invest, consider putting it into your employer-based pension plan. Many companies will match a percentage up to 100% of the contributions made by its employees, and this is basically the opportunity to receive free money. If you don't take advantage of this, it is tantamount to wasting quite a substantial opportunity. Purchasing investment management software will really help you out if you are just starting with your investing. It is best to buy one software that will help you manage your money, profits, losses, subscriptions you pay for, and stockbrokers you use. You should also buy a second software that you can use to track stocks, fund prices, company news, and any analysis that you perform. You should always be wary of investing with companies or people that offer returns that are too good to be true. Some of these investments may be particularly appealing because they have an exotic or limited nature. However, in many cases, they are scams. You could end up losing your entire investment, or even worse, find yourself in legal trouble. There are two methods that can be used to buy stocks. The first way is to purchase stocks through dividend reinvestment plans or direct investment plans. Since not all companies offer a dividend reinvestment plan or direct investment plan, the other way to purchase stocks is by using a brokerage house. When it comes to brokerages, there are full-service brokerages and discount brokerages. If money is not a consideration, full-service brokerages offer more assistance than the discount brokerages. Think long-term profit. If you want to get a return that is well over the rate of inflation, stocks are your best choice. Even with the ups and downs in the market, an average stock tends to return about 10% per year. If you are saving for a long-term goal, such as retirement, stocks will garner you a larger profit than traditional savings. Be clear-headed and grounded in your investing. Cold truths and hard realities will present themselves often in market swings, and accepting them calmly is a better investing tool than any trading platform can ever be. Identify your goals, know exactly what has to occur to get you to that milestone. Plan your journey and start walking. Learning about the stock market can be a long process, but the benefits will pay off in the end. There are several benefits to investing, including being able to research successful companies and making extra money from home. Remember the tips in this video, if you want to successfully profit from stock investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.